Good business English language skills are important for communication with your customer. Do you find it challenging to listen to and understand customer service phrases in the workplace? Do you get confused and worried that you might have missed some important information? Are you a non-native speaker who needs better customer service communication skills and to improve your business English language skills? Are you lacking confidence in your English skills, which can sometimes lead to unhappy customers? Or are you a student learning English and, for example, you might be studying IELTS or an MBA or Business English certificate and you need familiarity with the language of customer service? Well, if you answered yes to any of those questions, then this is the course for you, because I will teach you over 600 phrases in business English customer service, and I will give you the essential tips which will enable you to have confidence and know-how when helping customers. This course has everything and is designed to give you the skills, language and confidence to succeed. My name is Aidan Toomey. I'm a professional business English language teacher with real-world experience and qualifications, and I will be your instructor on this course. The process of learning is activity-based, which is an interactive, fun and engaging way of learning, and these activities will focus on business English for customer service when dealing with problems and complaints, when attending trade fairs, exhibitions and events, when helping customers in the hospitality sector, when meeting customers in the office, over video conferencing, over the telephone including call centres, through writing, and in public. So if you're ready to start learning, take the first step to this highly rated course. Please click the Enrol button, or if you need more time to decide, then watch the free preview videos. I hope to see you on the course.